Venue jurisdiction does not exist over affiant. Description. This educational text examines the legal argument that venue jurisdiction does not exist over an affiant. It explores the foundational principles of jurisdiction, venue, and personal authority in legal proceedings. The discussion covers how individuals can challenge improper jurisdiction, the role of affidavits in jurisdictional disputes, and the legal mechanisms for asserting one's rights against a court's claimed authority. Understanding jurisdiction and venue. Jurisdiction refers to a court's legal authority to hear a case, while venue determines the specific location where the case should be adjudicated. A challenge to venue jurisdiction argues that the court does not have legal authority over the affiant, meaning the individual submitting an affidavit is not subject to that court's control. Types of jurisdiction. 1. Subject matter jurisdiction, the court's authority over the legal issues involved in a case. 2. Personal jurisdiction, the court's authority over the parties in the case. 3. Territorial jurisdiction, the geographic area where a court's rulings are enforceable. 4. Venue, the proper court location for hearing the case, based on where events occurred. Example application. If an individual residing in Texas is summoned to a court in New York, but has no contractual or legal connection to New York, they may challenge the court's personal jurisdiction and venue by submitting an affidavit declaring that venue jurisdiction does not exist over the affiant. Legal basis for challenging venue jurisdiction. Courts determine jurisdiction based on minimum contacts, meaning a defendant must have a significant connection to the state or court claiming authority. An affiant, a person making a sworn statement, may challenge jurisdiction by asserting lack of personal connection, no legal ties to the forum state. Improper venue, the court is not the appropriate location for the case. Violation of due process, the court's assertion of jurisdiction violates fundamental legal principles. Affidavit as a legal instrument. An affidavit is a sworn statement that can serve as evidence in challenging jurisdiction. A properly structured affidavit should clearly state that the affiant does not recognize the court's jurisdiction, provide factual evidence of the lack of legal ties to the venue, assert legal rights under due process and jurisdictional limitations. Example affidavit statement. I, affiant's name, declare under penalty of perjury that I am not subject to the jurisdiction of court name, as I have no lawful connection to its venue or legal authority. Any attempt to assert jurisdiction over me violates my constitutional rights under due process. Conclusion. The assertion that venue jurisdiction does not exist over an affiant is a powerful legal argument used to challenge improper court authority. Understanding the distinction between jurisdiction and venue enables individuals to protect their legal rights and prevent courts from exceeding their authority. Affidavits serve as essential legal tools in asserting these jurisdictional challenges.